Today, I'll be reviewing Hungry Lion, who sponsored me this meal. Thank you very much for that. Also the person who organized it. I tagged them both in the video. I'm here at Hungry Lion. Let's taste what it tastes like. First, the normal piece. This is extremely nice. And then the Zamba pieces. Let me try them as well. A bit of a spice, but it's very, very nice. I rate the Zamba piece an 8 out of 10. And the normal chicken is very, very nice. I rate it an 8.5 out of 10. Thank you very much. Till next time. Love you all.